ChatGPT Review 2025. Is it still worth it? Let us be honest. When ChatGPT first launched, it changed everything. But here we are in 2025, and the AI landscape looks completely different. Here is Claude, Gemini, Grok, and a dozen other competitors. So the real question is ChatGPT still the king? Or has it been dethroned? What is ChatGPT in 2025? ChatGPT by OpenAI has evolved far beyond a simple chatbot. In 2025, it comes in 3 tiers. The free version gives you access to GPT-4o mini, which is surprisingly capable for basic tasks. ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month unlocks GPT-4o, DALL-E image generation, advanced data analysis, and web browsing. And ChatGPT Pro at $200 per month gives you unlimited access to the most powerful models, including the o1 reasoning model. The free tier alone handles writing, brainstorming, coding, help, and general Q&A. But the real power unlocks when you go Plus or Pro. Let me walk you through what each feature actually does in practice. Key features that matter. First, advanced data analysis. This is a game changer. You can upload spreadsheets, CSV files, PDFs, and images, and ChatGPT will analyze them, create charts, find patterns, and generate reports. I tested this with a 5,000 row sales dataset, and within 30 seconds it identified trends that would have taken me an hour to find manually. Second, DALL-E image generation. The integration is seamless. You just describe what you want, and it generates images right in the chat. The quality has improved significantly since the early days, though it still struggles with text rendering and complex layouts. Third, Custom GPT separates itself from the competition. You can create specialized AI assistants for specific tasks. I have a custom GPT for YouTube script writing, one for SEO analysis, and one for email marketing. Each one has custom instructions and knowledge bases that make them far more effective than the base model for their specific purpose. Fourth, the new o1 reasoning model, available on Pro and some Plus tiers. This model thinks step by step through complex problems. It is significantly better at math, coding, and logical reasoning than GPT-4o, though it is slower and uses more compute. The honest pros and cons. Let us talk pros. The biggest advantage is the ecosystem. No other AI tool has the same depth of integrations, plugins, and third-party support. The custom GPT marketplace is growing fast. The mobile apps are polished and reliable, and the brand recognition means most people are already comfortable using it. Now the cons. ChatGPT can still hallucinate facts with confidence. The knowledge cutoff means it does not always have the latest information, even with web browsing enabled. The Plus tier at $20 feels expensive when Claude offers a competitive product at the same price, and the Pro tier at $200 is hard to justify unless you are a power user who lives in the tool all day. My verdict: here is the bottom line. If you are a casual user, the free tier is genuinely excellent and you should start there. If you are a content creator, marketer, or business owner, ChatGPT Plus is worth every penny for the data analysis and custom GPT features alone. But if you are primarily doing coding or deep research, you should also look at Claude and Cursor as alternatives because they may serve your specific needs better. ChatGPT in 2025 is not the only game in town anymore, but it is still the most versatile and complete AI assistant available. The ecosystem advantage is real, and for most people, it remains the best starting point in the AI tools landscape. If this review helped you decide, check the description for links to try ChatGPT and other AI tools I recommend. Hit subscribe for daily AI tool reviews and tutorials. This has been Patapo. AI will see you in the next one.